through the country to the Benjamin Moore, get a fresh coat of paint to put on the dance floor. My cute little baby, tattooed arm in the sun, smiling at sunrise after a night of good fun at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Love drinking moonshine, a Woodford Reserve, maybe some 151 if you all have the nerve. Bring your smile, leave your hat at our country saloon. We start drinking at sunset and howling at the moon at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. The party is jumping, the whole room's bumping, the band's really cooking, playing Garth Brooks or something. Little old mama gives guitarist a kiss.
Hey man, you alright?
No, man, all I could taste is the Schlitz. The Schlitz.
Now all he tastes is her Schlitz on his lips. Come on, Mick. Driving through the country to the next liquor store. Gotta stock up the bar so we can do it once more at the gin joint on the edge. At our gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Party never stops. Party on, Donnie. Party on, Mick.
Gotta start heading toward the door. Let's go right there to go. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
This may seem to you a little weird, an acoustic guitar balladeer singing songs about love and broken hearts. But I assure you that I never meant, nor was it ever my intent, to play the whiny singer-songwriter part. I know that's what I'm doing, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Ponytails and Taylor guitars and a bunch of deep emotional scars. The world is so full of these musicians nowadays. Give me some mohawks and some power chords and some rage and some angst and some moshing hordes, or at least an old Black Flag album to play. I know that I'm just a crooner, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I still believe in anarchy, just not like it used to be. I know now that we're all way too full of greed. And I still believe that we live in deeds and not in money or in our needs. But I have bills to pay and a family to feed. Call me what you will now, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Listen quite frequently to The Clash and Bad Religion, Operation Ivy. I used to have a punk rock band, the finest in our suburban land, 4 white kids in our singer's mom's garage. But But somewhere it all took a turn, and I found some new chords, and I started to learn some Billy Joel and Chicago and Police and the Cars, Hootie and the Blowfish. But I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. But I bet you don't believe me, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Yeah, I know you don't believe me, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Let's see if I can remember now.
I love the little niche that I'm carving out for myself in this industry. I have the coolest customers in the world, and this one is no exception. This is for my new friend Hoover, who he had this vision for this 3-string sort of fretless tenor bass type instrument, 34-inch scale, tuned AEA right now, and it's so much fun. We made the neck just a little bit wider than it needs to be, just so it would feel like a bass guitar neck and not look proportionally strange. But then we had a bunch of fun with the proportions and the size and the shape, and a lot of little jokes built into the design. I love it. I can't wait to give it to him. I'm sure he's going to love it. I can't wait to hear how he plays it, because I don't know how to play it yet. And we liked the idea so much that I already got his permission that I think I'm going to make this like a signature model, a little bit different. Here's the first 4-string bass guitar in the works with this sort of style and the sound holding nowhere. You call it what you want. I'm calling it a sound holding nowhere for now. All right. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And whatever crazy ideas you have, I'd love to make it for you. Be good.